It's gonna be good. Lattimore had a good game. Not 100%.
110 yards.
Yeah. And for him,
Anybody else 110 yards, that's a good stellar. For him, it's like
It's average. Yeah.
80%.
He'll be back good.
I'll tell you what, that was a good feeling when Alshon got drafted because it wasn't like him who pumped the gas.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he did say that. Yeah.
And look at him now.
Yeah. Millionaire.
It sounded like a $13 million contract.
That's right. And the Bears love him. The Bears love him. They said he's doing good.
Perfect condition. Conditions
he's got dents in the bumpers, like his tires are all worn. Good luck.
She went to Florida State, but she'll still watch the game. Jake.
Megan.
Vince, nice to meet you, man. Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Megan.
Megan, nice to meet you.
Like Vince's mom.
Yeah.
What are we all over here for?
He had his money.
Which islands were you?
Oahu.
Oahu?
Yeah.
Were you in Waikiki this time?
North Shore, too.
North Shore?
Yeah.
What'd you like better?
North Shore.
North Shore.
Yeah, engaged.
Yeah? Cool. Congratulations.
So amazing.
We went to Rockview, that sushi place.
Welcome aboard Delta Airlines. I'm Richard Anderson, the Chief
I'll make it up to
Executive
you.
Officer of Delta.
Oh,
And on behalf of the best team of airline professionals in the world, we're really pleased you're flying with us today. You're in great hands, for Delta employees worldwide. Their first priority on every flight is safety.
Cool.
In addition to providing you a safe journey, we want your time with us to be comfortable and enjoyable. Delta had a great founder, C. Woolman, and I get to sit at his desk every day. He built our airline on a foundation of honesty, integrity, and mutual respect. As a big global airline, we want these values to be reflected in our service every single day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. And thanks so much for flying Delta.
It's been 30-ish. I think we're doing it.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we'll be showing a brief safety presentation. This information can help you if there's an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. Once airborne, we'll let you know when you can use approved electronic devices. But note that some items, such as phones, may not be used in flight at any time. You'll find a list of approved electronic devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. If you're seated at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for